Discover the Zenu foldable mini washing machine. Looking for a laundry solution on the go? Meet the Zenu foldable mini washing machine. This washing machine is perfect for tight spaces and travel. Weighing just 3.5 pounds, it easily fits in your apartment, dorm, or RV. Its foldable design reduces down to just 6 inches for effortless storage, ideal for those looking to save space without compromising on functionality. Built with TPE and food-grade silicone, the machine is gentle on personal and baby items. Impressively, it uses just 0.01 kWh of electricity per hour. This protects your clothes while saving you money, time, and energy, making this an essential tool for a sustainable lifestyle. Despite its size, this washer boasts strong decontamination features, mimicking hand washing for enhanced cleanliness. It's perfect for small items, including baby clothes and underwear, ensuring hygiene for you and your family. The Zenu machine offers a practical laundry solution without the need for large, traditional washers. The semi-automatic washing machine features a simple button interface with 3 timer modes, 1, 5, or 10 minutes. This means you can choose the best setting for different items, with the knowledge that it will reset automatically for your next load. It's designed for convenience and ease of use in any setting. Transform your laundry experience with the Zenu foldable mini washing machine. In stock and available now at a competitive price, it's just a click away on Amazon. Upgrade your laundry routine with this portable powerhouse and enjoy quick, efficient, and space-saving washing wherever you are. Discover the ultimate portable laundry solution. Hook, say goodbye to laundry hassles with the Kiwi's portable washing machine. This 15L portable washing machine packs the power of a full-sized washer into a foldable design. Despite its small footprint, it efficiently washes delicate items like underwear and baby clothes, making it perfect for apartments, RVs, and travel. Featuring a one-touch control panel, effortlessly switch between 10-minute, 5-minute, or 3-minute cycles. With a high-efficiency motor, your clothes receive a thorough clean every time, ensuring both ease of use and superior performance wherever you are. Crafted from ABS and dustproof, food-grade materials, this washing machine promises durability and safety. It's perfect for handling intimate laundry items, saving you resources while providing a hygienic wash that keeps your clothes fresh. Prioritizing environmental protection, the Kiwi's washer minimizes water and electricity usage without compromising performance. This makes it an ideal choice for eco-conscious individuals who want to reduce their environmental footprint during their laundry routine. Transform your laundry experience with the Kiwi's portable washing machine. Available now for $67.99. Optimize your space and time without sacrificing cleanliness. Order yours today from Amazon and enjoy worry-free laundry on the go. Visit the product page, https://www.amazon.com/dp/b0dfmjp83r, and make your purchase to start experiencing the convenience of portable washing.